I am deliberately and repeatedly focusing on growth because I believe as a youngster, we all have that fire in our bellies to have what we are dreaming of. So I believe Kim has the potential of giving you the best of smiles, the best of memories, and the best of opportunity to have your growth. I remember myself being on that day was a very naive girl who did not know how to handle the corporate or the management aspect of the education, and I did not have words to explain myself of how I was at that time because I did not know anything that the Kim had to offer me, the corporate or the entrance into the corporate world had to offer me. But now when I'm standing here today, I know how to speak in front of the camera. I know how to interact with people, which I believe was still there for me to work upon when I first entered. I was a little shy and I used to be under the shell. But over the period of time with Kim, I realized that, Kim is offering me such a beautiful platform where I can grow. We are a batch of 120 students and a few professors, and I believe that was the best ratio that the Kim had to offer me because then each and every person, each and every student that was there with us could reach out easily to the professor, and the professor could one-to-one mentor each of us and help us develop on the core skills that we had or the talents which were untapped, which we were missing out as a student, as a new entrant. The environment which it offers is amazing. It's lush green, the fresh air, there's a happiness around the environment. Plus, then there is so much co-curricular activities that you can do around the campus, like cricket, football, badminton, volleyball, etc. The helpful nature of people around you, the way each and every student interacts with each other, I believe that is something which will help you grow more in your peers as well, and will help you escape out or come out of that peer pressure thing, because then you'll know how to handle and understand people and use your intellect and understanding to talk to people. It will help you come out of your shell. So I believe for personal growth, you should definitely, without a second thought, tap into Kim's admission process and be a part of it.